Hello, Year of the Goat. This reading is for you. It's going to be a Tagalog reading. So, choose which pile, 1, 2, or 3. This is your 30-day forecast. This is a general reading. If it doesn't resonate, please do not take the message. And also, for paid personal readings, just check the description box below. Diyan nyo po ako makukontak, okay? Anyway, for you, Year of the Goat, again, pause if you need more time. So this is 1, 2, and 3. If you have chosen pile number 1, your next 30 days will be all about sharing your resources. Yung parang for some reason, I'm not sensing anything bad about the Knight of Wands in reversed here. Parang you're being called to enjoy. Like, wag mag-commit. Kung meron kang gustong bigyan or paghatian ng kung ano man, or maybe meron kang gustong i-share, pag-sharean ng pera mo, ng materials mo, pwede rin ng presents mo. Parang mas maganda if hindi planado, hindi strict yung rules. Like, siguro impromptu na lakwatsa, impromptu na shopping, ganyan. Yung walang yung parang pagdating doon, tsaka lang kayo pipili, tsaka lang kayo gagawa ng choice or magfa-finalize ng decision. Now, what do you need to focus on is mapalamig yung ulo ng somebody. Maybe this is a child na prone to tantrums, na parang this time, parang siya yung masusunod kung saan mo gustong kumain, saan niya gustong maglakwatsa, anong gusto niyang gawin, kung anong gusto niyang bilhin. Especially if this is someone na parang, alam mo yun, yung bata pa lang bound na sa responsibilities. Let's say, meron kang pamangkin na at an early age natutong dumiskarte para magkapera. Tapos siguro maybe nagkakaroon na ng depression yung bata. Pwede rin ikaw to. Like maybe as a young kid, parang kayod ka na. Baka nga ikaw pa nagpo-provide ikaw yung nagpo-provide sa family mo, sa parents mo, ikaw nga yung anak. So parang if meron kang childhood issue regarding overwork, parang wag kang mag-guilty to pamper yourself, wag kang mag-guilty to buy what you want and go wherever you like, especially kung medyo angat-angat ka na sa buhay ngayon. Pero make sure na, tawag nito, hindi ka ganun ka-closed off na pera ko to, akin lang to, hindi ako mamimigay. No. Kasi ang 9 of Pentacles in reverse, this is sharing your resources to someone. So maybe in order for you na not to feel bad, siguro mas magandang i-share to with kids or teenagers na pareho mo lang ng situation before. Like ngayon, bata pa siya pero siya yung nagtatrabaho, galing sa eskwela, kung ano-anong binebenta, yung mga ganong klaseng bata. Especially if for some reason I'm sensing this is a nephew. And I'm being drawn to the Sagittarius thing. So maybe you need to relocate somewhere. Like maybe meron kang pamangkin na pwede naman sanang mag-aral pero pinagtrabaho. Or para makapag-provide sa family, pinastop ng school. Tapos pinagbenta ng kung ano-ano sa daan. So maybe this is someone that you need to get out of his situation. And bring this kid with you. Although it's this person is not your, or this kid is not your responsibility, pero kasi parang for some reason this kid needs your help. Pero it could be two scenarios. Pwedeng this is someone that needs your help badly, or pwede ring this is someone that reminds you of yourself, kaya kailangan mong tulungan. Or pwede ring third scenario is, pwedeng ikaw to, nare-remind ka na for so long you've been providing for everybody pero hindi ka nakakapag-provide for yourself. So don't feel guilty, especially if pera mo naman yan. Okay? And if you're going to do that, King of Cups reverse, make sure lang na you're not going to do it in an extreme way to the point na magiging addictive na yung nature mo. Let's say for example, hindi ka na dating nung bata ka, hindi ka binibilhan ng mga gusto mo. Tapos King of Cups in reverse is a warning na wag mo namang wag mo namang sobrahan to the point na kahit walang kwenta binibili mo, na nagiging toxic na, nagiging addictive na. Okay? So that's for you. Also nga pala, pwede ring this is someone younger than you na pwede mo pang i-save kasi na-influensyahan ng any type of addiction, like gaming addiction, pwedeng drug addiction, pwedeng anything else. Okay? So maybe your help is badly needed by the Page of Wands reverse, so do something about it. Okay? Pray for this kid I'm hearing. So that's for you. And again, for paid personal readings, nasa description box yung contact ko. Now let's proceed, guy. Number 2, if you have chosen number 2. For the next 30 days, you have to finalize a decision and move on from a issue from the past kasi malinaw na sa iyo yung lahat. Like lahat ng evidences na kakailanganin mo, nakita mo na, mga witnesses na kailangan kausapin, nakausap mo na, parang na-assess mo na lahat ng angle ng situation, you have finalized the decision, a conclusion. Now, what you need to focus on is yung happiness mo. Try to expand your social connections. King of Wands as an advice means go out there and reintroduce yourself to the public, to the society. Try to socialize as much as possible and widen your social network. And if you're going to do that, possible outcome, parang the pain will always be there, especially if this is someone from your past na nag-cause talaga ng sadness for you. Pero parang you will be more appreciative if you notice yung King of Wands sa family. You will be more appreciative of the people who stayed with you, was loyal and is still loyal to you, and people who make you feel good about yourself. Okay? So there, that's for you. Pagpahingahin mo naman daw yung puso mo. Okay? That's for you, number 2. Let's proceed, guy. Number 3. Okay. If you have chosen number 3, okay. You have chosen number 3. The next 30 days will be all about celebration because this is something that you actually chose for yourself. Or maybe you have finalized the decision, or somebody had made a final decision about something and everybody's welcoming towards you. So, pwedeng celebrate na kasi nakapasa na ng board, pwede ring natanggap na sa trabaho, na-approve yung visa. It could be anything na everybody is happy about it. Pero it could be, for some reason, engagement. June bride, I'm hearing June bride. So maybe somebody's getting married. Tapos parang i-introduce siguro sa parents. If you notice, dalawa yung nandito na parang welcome home, welcome to the family kind of thing. Now, what do you need to focus on? Yung mga wishes nyo or wishes mo, like make sure it's more realistic and you actually have a plan on how to go about it. Hindi yung wish lang ng wish and masyado kang komportable kasi everybody backs you up. Parang have a stable plan and at the same time, kailangan mo ng follow through. Dapat may action din. And if you're going to do that, possible outcome, you will enjoy the situation and people will be glad to watch you doing it, or watch you building something, whatever this plan may be. And also Knight of Pentacles reverse, maybe tawag nito, wala ka pang pera. So make sure you're not being distracted by the gatherings, the celebrations, the family distractions. Parang, let's say for example, umuwi ka, kakauwi mo lang from abroad, celebrate tayo, pero ang wish mo talaga magkabahay, atas naubos yung pera mo kasi party ka ng party. So make sure na it's not going to happen that way. Kung ano yung original plan mo before ka umuwi, or before ka i-welcome ng family na to, or before ka i-pressure ng mga friends mo to celebrate, make sure na yung budget na para dun sa wish mo, na hindi yun magagalaw, and at the same time, alam mo kung paano budgetin, at kung saan mapupuntang pera. Okay? Huwag kang magpapadistract sa mga celebrate tayo, inuman tayo, party tayo, tapos wag wala ka ng pera, bye-bye. Okay? Anyway, that's for you, number 3. And again, for paid personal readings, send me a private message, check the description box below. Okay? That'll be all. Bye!